We talk football SA. We educate, entertain, promote. We talk football SA. Right now, you are talking to just number 10, Moses Mabasa. I'm joined here by Mr. Mtungwa, Nikin Mtungwa. Mr. Mtungwa, how are you?
Hi, number 1 and jersey number 10.
I see a bong, yesterday, Bafana was playing against the Czech Republic. What is your opinion concerning the game?
I think late in the second half the players played well, but I still feel that the coach was a little bit scared because he started with 3 defensive midfielders, which limited us. When I say us, I mean South Africa. Limited us from going enough the way we should. Abafana bubabona bona ukuthi bayadlala uApolis ukhona phambili no Ikram Reyners kanye no Thapelo Maseko Slagreis. Kodwa ubona ukuthi kukhona lo muntu ekufanele ngabe uqhamuka emva kwabo oza afaka ibhola ngapha alifake ngapha lo muntu lo kade engekho. Manje ngaleyo ndlela leyo nginakho ukuthi ucoach ubugwala unabo, kanti ukube ubevele nje wathi asiphele masiphela abafake bonke abafana ubuzobona into ongakazi uyibona.
You're right, because what I know, our coach Hugo Bruce is not a coach who played defensive football.
Yes.
It seems as we shile unogwala kakhulu because lento uphindile nezo, because iyabona ukuthi kahle kahle ufakile iba attacking, but it was still more defensive a bit, like extra kancane. So ubani uqwa ukuthi wena lapha ku midfielder as ufake Umbatha, Umkwena, uAdams samela sacrifice ahlale benchini afaka yena kwenza ukuthi akwazi ukuthi asupportana iba in offensive and defensive, more offensive too much, as we didn't have a chance to lose the yesterday's game.
Ilokhuzana abafana mabakhethi fanele ukuthi ubathembe ucoach umthathile umfukeni kodwa unakho ukuthi hey lo mfana mncane, kanti ayikho ingane lapha njengoba emkhethile njengoba enzima ngala ku PSL. Vele lokho kusho ukuthi umfana usezingeni. Ubonile ama engena waqala ubeke esuke ngaka left ehle nalo ibhola ehamba elitshala central ngilapha phambili futhi ku 18 yale team noma ngithi ngaphandle kwaye kuka D-line ehamba ibhola alifake balibuyise kuye, alifaka alibuyisele emuva balibuyise kuye. Ubonile nomkwena lapha nombatha baqala badlala ngokukhuleka ngoba bayazi ukuthi mabelisa phambili ibhola umsebenzi uzokwenzeka. Manje ucoach unabo ubugwala umfuke nje kufanele ukuthi avele emfake igame iqala ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi siye phambili, ngoba mawuthi uyabheka indlela ekade seyiphaselana ngayo noMakhopa no Apolis, vele no Apolis bayazana. Ubonile ukuthi abafana laba bayathanda ukudlala, kodwa ungene sekulate nakuba ukube nje mhlambe sithema sibuya ku half time ovela umthatha umfana womphonsi ensimini. Ngabe sikhuluma olunye udaba namhlanje, ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi ibafana abafana iwinile no Ikram Reyners ngoba abengaqhamuki kahle amabhola, ngoba siyashoda phambili sinabantu ababili aba creative, abantu abakwazi ukukhanda amathuba ekuApolis kanye noSlagreis uThapelo Maseko. Manje bekwenza lokho ukuthi kube nzima futhi Maseko udlala ngespeed, udinga umuntu vele ozoba seduze kwakhe akazomhlabela ibhola ngokusheshsha esikhaleni esiyingozi njengoba umfuke ngisiyamazi ukuthi uyayenza leyo nto. Manje egemini elandelayo mina ngicela ukuthi ucoach akabafake nje abafana engesaba kusebenza indaba kuba igwala, ngoba ekugcineni vele sizogcina sidliwe singabona ukuthi sidliwe kanjani, kanti njengamanje sinethuba lokuthi singaya phambili.
Exactly, you're right, Mr. Mtungwa, because Mangubeka uReyners didn't have a supply.
Yes.
And if ever a coach beqale ngomfukeni ama supply azowaningi, because sen manje umfuke ube athatha lama ball one touch to Umbatha, one touch to Apolis, one touch to noma umkwena sekwazi ukuhlala.
Yes.
So don't you think also the introduction, what do you think about the introduction of Ngwanasisi Evidence Makhopa?
The guy was very mobile, the guy was very energetic, the guy was willing to assist South Africa to win. Not looking down as well to the performance of Sbilibili. The guy also came in with some energy, of which that we needed as well. He was playing very well with Mudau on the right. So I think all the substitutions yesterday, they worked. So I think the coach just needs to believe in them and not wait until the last hour to make changes. Otherwise, I think the boys played well. We saw Mbata late in the second half also making his passes. Mkwena, as always, he never disappoints. So I think the boys played very well, but the coach just needs to believe in them and introduce them in time.
Thank you very much. And then also the last one is now Bafana are left with one game to play. Bafana 1 point, and then let me start from the World League. Mexico 6 points, South Korea 3 points, Bafana 1 point, Czech Republic 1 point. Now our last game is Bafana versus Czech Republic. What do you think must be done there? What thing must happen there to make sure that Bafana qualify to the next round?
Bafana, the coach needs to put them in. You do not play to defend against South Korea. They are very creative. They are very speedy. They are very aggressive. So we need to give them the same. They say sharpen a sword with a sword.
Yes.
So we need to do that. Coach needs to put his players up front. He needs to put his strongest attacking team, not wait until the second half, because those guys are so speedy. They can score 2 goals before you open your eyes, and
exactly.
Then it will be very difficult to equalize. So we need to just to go all out, and then if they beat us, it's fine. There is a movie that I once watched. Everything was still black here at the time.
Okay.
Yeah, it was called Robinson Crusoe.
Yes, I know that movie.
Robinson Crusoe was his ship with his soldiers.
Yes.
They were washed away by the wind in the sea. So the sea threw him on the other side of the sea, and he was alone. He found a guy staying in a bush there, a black guy or an African guy. He found them staying in a bush there. They became friends. But Robinson Crusoe said, "I've got a family back home. So now it's better that I die, because I have no reason to live, because I cannot go back home. We are in a bush here in the middle of nowhere. So it's better that I die." Then the guy said, "To die doesn't matter. All men die. What matters is how you die. You must die with courage."
Die with courage.
Yes, so Bafana against South Korea must die with courage, not die sitting down, because all the teams lose.
Yes.
So we must lose with courage if we do. So that's what I can say.
Bafana must die with courage.
Exactly.
With resilience.
Yes.
They must throw everything on the field of play.
Yes.
Because it's a last game.
Yes.
I think this will be gonna be a tough game.
Yes.
Because the South Koreans, they know that if we lose this one, we are not going to the next round. Bafana knows that if we lose this one, we are not going to the next round. What can you say to the South African football fraternity, the supporters at large, preparing to the next game? What can you say? What is your message to the South African?
No, just rally behind the boys. Just write positive message.
Exactly.
But we know that we've got Mexicans also here in South Africa.
Yes.
At Naturena, there are some of them, not all of them. A few of them who are supporting Mexico. It's fine. It's their choice.
Yes.
I can't blame them. They've got their own reasons. So, but to everyone who is supporting, post something positive on social media. The boys will see it. Thank you, Mr. Mabasa.
Thank you very much. We talk football SA, we entertain, educate, promote.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu.